he's ready. Driver says he's ready. Brandon Ryerson. He's not sure which one's the gas pedal. Oh, that hood is bouncing around. That hood's going to be a problem if it keeps bouncing around like that. It may come up. Ryerson slowing down as he enters the last far side turn. Now here comes the test. Is the Oop-de-Oops. Handling it well so far, but he's getting shaken every which way but loose. A nice little jump there at the end, and coming around for his final turn. Sporting the biggest tires I can find on the back of my truck.